Hey, what's up, everybody? So right now, man, it's cold. So right now I'm waiting for the I was gonna say mechanic, but I'm waiting for a tow truck so we can take my truck to the mechanic shop and hopefully start on the project already. She don't shut up. Well, hopefully start on the project soon. I think I got everything that I need: the motor mounts, the radiator, harness, computer. I don't think I'm missing anything. Oh, and then I want to put my stocks, my 16s that I had on my white Sierra. I think I'm gonna put them on this one for right now, and probably trade these. I know somebody had sent me a message about trading. Don't think I forgot about you. I think I'll do that once I get this truck running. Oh, you know what? I think I might have to do like an exhaust on it too, maybe. I haven't even checked underneath the truck to see what it has. Maybe some headers. I don't know. I can't think of anything else right now. It's too cold to be even thinking right now. There goes the 67. But yeah, I'm gonna go wait for the tow truck guy. Meanwhile, y'all want to hear my white Sierra chop in the cold weather? Yes, or no? Yeah, let's go do it. All right, here it is. Sounds good in the cold weather. Man, I'm not a cold weather kind of guy. Freaking cold. Alright, so tow truck guy finally arrived. De volada. Está abierto. Ay, no sé. It's not gonna pop open, is it? No creo, güey. You think I should pull some of this stuff out?
Nah, but...
Pero yo creo... No, digo, para que no se lo vayan a chingar allá afuera.
Oh, pues...
What do you think I should put inside? Probably the compressor, no?
Yeah.
The water pump. No, not the water pump.
El alternador y la compressor?
Sí.
For sure.
Let's put that bitch inside.
¿Nomás ahí en el floor?
Yeah. ¿Estará neutral?
I don't think so, because no se movió ahorita.
Ahí está neutral. Todo esto demás, I have extra. La amor si se chinga en el radiator, ¿no?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
Put all this stuff in here so I don't steal it. Pues yo creo es todo, güey. I think that's it. Yeah. Tire needs some there. Let's close it. When I bought the truck, the guy told me that he was gonna give me the motor that he was gonna put in the truck. So I went to go pick it up a few days ago, but it's all disassembled. The guy said he couldn't build it back because his shop was being shut down by the city. So I'm like, all right, that's fine, man. You know, I'll pick it up. I got another motor I'll put on my truck, so it's not a big deal. But I did get another 5.3 with the truck, so that's a good thing. Made it to the mechanic shop. Nothing flew out. That's good. Alright, so I just dropped off the truck at the mechanic shop. Crossing my fingers that I'm not missing anything and that it could be put back together kind of quick. I still need to go get it tuned after that so it can be running right. And what else? Mainly that, just get it running. That way I can start fixing it up and, you know, finish up the project. You want to talk about your truck?
Just finished cutting the rear end.
See?
Yeah. Chucky cut it for me.
¿Qué size wheels son in the back? ¿Qué tanto le cortaron?
Huh?
Como unas 2-3 inches? Did they cut?
Nah, 2 inches.
2 inches?
Yeah.
It looks good, man.
Yeah, and then I didn't want the tubs as big as the other ones, so I put them like factory. So he just grabbed like a factory tub and welded it right here.
He made it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
That looks good, man. That's a nice truck. What does the interior look like?
Just simple. Ready right now.
Nice, clean. Otro día some guy was sending one just like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, just like it, pero tenía ya like the SS interior, the
Yeah,
seats and all
that's
that.
next. I was thinking about getting the SS interior.
I seen a nice one, and I think they were selling it in Dallas. They wanted like 8,000.
I had asked him, you want like 6K?
Una blanca.
Yeah.
Ya tenía todo, el SS dash, los seats, everything. Sí. ¿Y el motor que trae?
5.3?
Stock?
Yeah, stock 5.3. Getting ready to put a fully built transmission 4060.
4060? Yeah. That's a nice truck, man. So you bought this one así ya hecha?
No, the kit's OEM.
Pero you bought it like that already?
Yeah.
See? How much you pay for the truck?
Like 7?
7?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Pero digo, tú, el SS kit, tú lo compraste
Yeah.
aparte. Or
No.
came with the truck already? Everything. Oh, okay. That's not a bad price.
All thing I did was the bed liner and put the wheels, cut the rear end. And some getting ready to camera. Put a 4060 transmission.
It's nice, man. I like it. What drop is it?
This would be a 4.6, but now it's a 3.6.
3.6?
Because it was broken when I would hit the bumps and stuff.
See?
So I ended up raising it 1 inch in the front, so now it's at a 3.6.
That's a good height, man. It looks good. It doesn't look like it rubs or anything.
Little polish. How about the polish? It's been raining.
Yeah. Don't look too bad. Una pasadilla a lo mejor nomás. Entonces este body kit nomás va pegado, ¿qué pedo?
Yeah, it just goes on.
Like clip
it's like
in?
a little cover, yeah. You just put in these little pins.
What about on the doors?
The doors too, they got
Is
some
this
little
stuck
pins
on?
at the bottom.
Boy had all these leaves right there, man. He had a nest. That's what I was wondering, how this goes on.
I've been in New York.
Huh?
I've been in New York. It's my first day there.
Oh, sí? Estaba en Nueva York. Let me see. Oh, yeah, some clips right here. That's pretty cool, man.